I'm at the Soul Shack, waiting for KINFOK Nick, you know what I'm saying? Man, I might as well do this. Man, roll the intro real quick.
Man, wait a minute. All right, chill.
Woo!
Himalayan Silk is in the building.
Let's go.
Boy.
Let's roll that intro.
Get it. Now, who that is right there? KINFOK. 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 KINFOK.
Yeah, that's mine.
KINFOK.
Yeah, she mine.
KINFOK.
Yeah, she mine.
KINFOK.
Alright, we back again with another video. You know what I'm saying? It's the lovable marsupial, your gently grizzly bear, big boy with the bandana and all
And
that
it's
good.
your boy,
Yeah.
PB,
Yes.
a.k.a. Johnny Moog,
Yes.
a.k.a.
Yes.
Tom Chill,
Yes.
with the Himalayan Seal.
Woo.
And we back at it one more time with a brand new SnackCrate.
Yeah, there we go. It's like
There
that.
we go, baby.
So, you know what I'm saying? If you haven't been here before, this is KINFOK Snack Time. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you can be notified all the time. We're going to wait a couple of seconds so you can hit that subscribe button and that bell real quick. You know what I'm saying? All right, there we go. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for, hitting that button already.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Throughout the video, you might see a little thumbs up. Click on that thumb so you enjoying the video. You know what I'm saying? All right. So, KINFOK, did you see my last SnackCrate with my modeling manager and all that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
I
how
did.
she was all right?
She was all right.
So, you know what I'm saying? Last time we was in Korea, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
And it didn't tell us, like, where it was from. So, you know what I'm saying? This time it says what?
What did it say on there? Kookaboo.
Kookaboo.
Kooiboo.
Kookaboo. Is that African?
What that is? Shit, it's gonna be some roaches.
Hey, you got your
Crickets.
janitor keys, anything?
I do got my keys. Yeah, and guess what?
You got another goddamn key.
I got a new key.
What's that for?
A safe. I got me a safe because I keep that bang in there. You know what I'm talking about? And that money, little
Oh, so
bang.
you got that
Anyway.
bang in there for the zombie
Yeah,
apocalypse?
yep, because that Rona is out there, boy.
I cut that smooth, real smooth.
Let's see. Come on, we're having a little trouble here with this one. Shit.
It won't
That one
slide.
ain't working.
It didn't slide through.
We're going to have to get the house key.
Ooh,
That would work.
I was
Ooh,
slid through like nothing.
nice.
You know what I'm saying? So let's pan it to them, see what they first. They get to check.
What did that say?
Colombia.
There's
Is
some
that
goddamn cocaine in here.
a black lady on top of that?
That is a black woman on there. Yeah, that's a nice grandma on there. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Hey, sister girl. Black lady on there. Look at her.
There you go. Lean it
Nice
over.
and charcoal, too.
There we go.
Black is beautiful, I tell you that.
Always bet
Look
on
at
black.
that. Let's get it started. All right, here we go. The first one says toasted bacon, thin, light, crunchy chips. Look, it look like bacon on there. Look like a little fried pork skin. Look. There you go. Ooh, open your mouth. Open your mouth. You want a little bite? Nope. Me first.
KINFOK.
KINFOK. That's good. That nigga want to lick his fingers, but I can't because they're Rona out here.
Hey.
Leave around. Real cheese baked in a fun ring-like shape that are crunchy, cheesy, and so very addictive. How many can you snack on one? Look, it's a donut or some big-ass Cheerio. What is that? Get that focus. It's real hollow, and I don't think it's going to have no flavor.
What the?
Let me see.
Man.
Wait a minute.
Oh no!
Dog biscuits. Now, throw this, put this in the garbage.
That's with butter.
Ugh, man, I don't like that one. Yeah, True Lulu Splash. Everything you love about your favorite gummy treat. I love gummy treats. With tropical fruit juice exploding with every bite.
Man, we'll get rid of that
Hey,
taste.
come on with it, man. I'm ready for it. Let me see.
I got
This blue one, I'm getting
I got
the blue one.
this
Look like
orange
that blue, you know that blue Kool-Aid?
Ooh.
Man, I love that blue Kool-Aid.
The one that's
dog.
like supposed to like freeze your throat or something.
Huh?
It's like supposed to be like icy or something, but it's like
No.
you remember that one?
No. Anyway,
It was
the
like
blue
frozen.
Kool-Aid. Look at that. That's a pretty one. Look at it. I like that. Look, get that focus. It's
I
this.
got a
Why is
yellow
it wet? It's like it's wet. KINFOK. Let's do it. Colombia, you got a good one.
You got back on track, okay?
You got a good one. These crispy and naturally sweet plantain chips are a staple throughout Colombia and can be enjoyed any time of the day. Let's try it.
It looks like banana.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Plantain.
Plantain. Ooh, I got a big ass. Look. I taste it. You making a face that I don't like. Hey, that ain't bad. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I tricked myself.
Like it's like the banana's like faint back there.
Yeah, it's the
It tastes
initial
like a
bite is good. Cause it got that crunch.
Yeah.
Got that nice crunch on there.
Nice potato chip crunch.
But, man, after a while,
I feel like you just eating like the skin of a banana.
yeah, I don't think I'd eat too many of these. Let me go and get rid of that. That says, now, listen, I don't know what this is.
Don't.
I can't read it too good.
Don't come
Man,
at
got
us
me
in the
black as hell. Wait a minute. Give me light-skinned again. Ooh, there you go. He light-skinned.
like Chris Brown.
Black as hell, light-skinned.
Darkness.
Black as hell, light-skinned.
Dry. Oh.
All right, check this out.
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one is Achiras del Hula. These cheese-flavored crackers are made from achira. Man, that stink! What is that? That smell like booty. Damn! A negative plant from the that grows at high altitudes in the Andes region. Man, come on, man. Nah, these some old dog biscuits, bro. What is this, man? Come on, man. Man, this ain't that bad. This actually ain't that bad.
Better
They
than the
didn't
fucking
smell it,
chili.
man.
It's like chilling. You like chilling?
This better. No, I do not like chili. These just like a little breadstick. That's all that is.
Bon bon boom.
It's the
Bon
bon
bon bum bums.
No, bon bum. Fruity lollipops
You a
with a
bum.
bubblegum center that come in a variety of flavors such as strawberry, mango, watermelon, and passion fruit.
I got
Ooh,
mango and passion fruit.
I don't want that damn mango. I'm not big on mango. They don't have watermelon in there. You know I'm a nigga.
We know you black.
You know, you niggas like, they always say niggas like watermelon. But really, everybody
Oh,
likes
wait,
watermelon.
wait.
So stop
I
lying.
got watermelon.
Ooh, give me that watermelon.
I got the passion fruit.
Let's try it out. Watermelon, look. Let's get that. Focus in on that. There we go, watermelon. Watermelon.
Got that mango. Got the mango right here. Go on, let me see it.
There
Let
we
me see
go.
it.
Look at that. That's
What are
pretty.
these seeds in there for?
Damn, you black over there, boy. Ooh, you black. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, I'm going to say this flavor. That's good.
This mango one.
This is my favorite one right now so far. Ooh, that's good.
Better than gummies?
Chocoramo.
Choco.
That's just chocolate with a ramo. This sweet pound cake is covered in a special milk chocolate and has been a popular Colombian staple ever since the company was founded in 1950.
How old were you then? Like 3?
Nigga, I was not even thought of yet. All right, here we go. That look kind of... Show them that very quick.
Look like a
Yeah.
loaf.
That's a big snack. That's a big treat. That's a big old treat right there, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Let's try. I'm gonna get a little piece, cause you know. Oh, it's got yellow cake in the center.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Don't do it just like that.
Oh, look. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
You know.
Oh, that's good. That is pretty.
Not too dry. It's like not moist, but it's like it's moist, but it's chocolatey.
Boy, it's like a little sponge cake with chocolate on it. All right, what's next?
Cocoa.
Made with 100% natural ingredients. These savory coconut shreds wrapped in rich milk chocolate will truly melt in your mouth. I like coconut flavor, but I'm not too big on coconut that shaving. Look, ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Look, let's get that. Yeah. Put that meat in your mouth. You want some meat in your mouth? Get that meat. That's damn of Mounds.
I can't stand mounds. Those are gross.
It tastes pretty good, though. I ain't gonna lie. I like that one.
That was gross.
Man, that flavor is delicious on that one. I didn't
Yeah.
say that, but Max Coco layers of sweet wafer. Cookies are sandwiched together and filled with a decadent coconut cream. There go coconut again. Try dunking this treat in your coffee for a unique taste. We not finna do no coffee. I dip it in some milk. Man, that ain't nothing but a damn wafer. I don't want you to put your Rona hand on it. Hey, look. Look, this ain't nothing but one of them wafers. But that big long one in your mouth, boy.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
All right.
Oh, strawberry.
Coffee Delight. This hard candy is made strictly with Colombian coffee and features a creamy caramel center. Take this treat with you for a snack on the go.
This is like
On the go. Yeah.
Yeah.
On the go.
Yeah.
Hey, on the go.
Go.
Hey, get some coffee.
On the go.
On the go.
On the go. Coffee. That's like black ass coffee. When I'm fresh, gonna wake you up. Get some of this Coffee Delight.
But in your mouth. Here we go. What's next? Bianchi bar? A classic milk chocolate bar filled with salty peanuts and rich caramel, leaving you with a perfect bite of sweet and savory every time.
Beyonce bar.
That's it.
God damn.
Oh man,
What was this candy?
that's too. I don't know.
That's rich.
That's too much chocolate.
Chocolate.
Alright, we got some goddamn
Picnic cup.
China. We got some nice China.
Clear Solo cups.
Come on, man. Oh, I gotta read it, huh?
It's a soda.
And it's not on here. Oh, there it is. Postaban. Colombia's favorite apple flavored soda. Everything you love about sweet apple juice with a fizzy twist. Oh, shit. You know, soda be breaking. Yeah, we got some bubbly. Some bubbly.
Bubbly.
Shit, I like it.
That was good.
Oh, shit. I already drank mine up. That was real good. Let me get a little more sip of that. And it's cold, too? Damn, that's good.
We'll put like a flavored vodka
Man, that's
in it.
good. And it's not like a
Soda.
strong apple taste. It's like a light apple taste. It's like carbonated water with a little apple flavor in it.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
Like a White Claw without the bullshit.
I ain't never had no White Claw and I ain't drinking.
Man, Kinfolk, that's all the stuff we had in the box.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? What was your favorite?
My favorite is actually the damn that I'm saving for later. Is the watermelon lollipop.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I gotta go with the True Lulu.
Yeah, those were good too. I ain't
Splash.
gonna lie. That's a cool
gotta
name
do the-
too.
Do the whoa.
No, I
Yeah.
do it my own way. I be doing all kind of like, nigga, like,
Vulgar, nigga. That's vulgar. You gotta
get that arm, that chicken in there, boy.
You gotta do that.
Let's go.
But yeah, Kinfolk, that was the whole crate. Colombia. What do you rate it?
I mean, out of a 10, I give it a solid 6.
Yeah.
6.5, something like that. Because it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't.
There was a few things. That one that tasted like a dog biscuit, man, that one was horrible. They need to get rid of that whole snack.
This
Nah, man, don't even put that in my face. I don't want to smell it.
No, you don't want to smell this one.
That smelled like doodle, but it did booty, but it didn't. Oh shit! That soda got me burped.
Hey, this little chocolate pound cake was hitting them
That was
too.
alright.
But yeah, everything else was pretty
The
good.
soda was good. You know you gonna drink that later, so go on put that over there.
All right.
Alright,
We're gonna be
Got
out.
it going.
Hey, if you made it this far in the video, please hit that thumbs up button for real though. Hey, I don't really say as much, but it shows up a lot on the thumbs. So please hit that thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? He trying to take it down. But yeah, it's your boy, the lovable marsupial. You know what I'm saying? KINFOK Snack Time. And we
out of here. It's your boy PB, aka Johnny Moon. We see y'all next time.